Welcome back to Home Decor Hub. Each piece of wood is slightly different, even if wooden furniture is made the same way. With the same type of material, there will be subtle difference. You will notice the difference in beautifully grained woods like cotton sawn, white oak, or live edge walnut. The slight variation in the thickness and direction of each grain really pop when seen together. Further, a craftsman has much more freedom when working with wood than any other material, while a machine can do only so much with plastic or metal. An artist is presented infinite possibility with solid wood. Solid wood is malleable in the hands of someone who knows what they are doing. There is a reason wood carving has been around since the dawn of man. Wood is naturally furniture painting, a creative advance unrevealed by man material. A metal desk can never have the same kind of unique character as a wood one. This is one of the main reasons why wooden furniture is so highly valued. Each piece you can own will be utterly unique to anything else in the world. Wooden furniture can fit in any home aesthetic. Rustic cherry or rustic walnut works perfectly for a home going for a rustic look. A well-placed rustic cherry chair is a wonderful rustic accent to any home. For modernist, natural walnut fit in wall with a wide minimalist style. The wood natural darker color and airy feel will blend right in. A cherry armor can go for in completing a room traditionally look. If you are more electrically inclined, you can have fun mixing and matching different types of wood either throughout the house or in one room. Wood furniture grants you a kind of subtle versatility that no other kind of furniture can. With metal and plastic, you have to rely on different kinds of paint or colored material to match the look you are going for. This means either buying a painted piece already and sticking with the color for the room or doing the painting yourself. Wood furniture can be especially effective in a city apartment or cramped loft